One of the things I like about living up in the hills, nature's alive all the time. 4:30 in the morning, I like drinking coffee. And right here in the distance, you can hear the whippoorwill. Many people don't get a chance to get out and hear the whippoorwill. You got to get up real early in the morning or stay up late in the evening. It's another one of God's creatures in our great outdoors. And I encourage everyone, get up early, go outside, see if you get to hear something that morning. Have to be blessed. Have a blessed day. Nature's great outdoors. Enjoy the sounds of nature.